Namaste children. I hope you're all fine. So today we are going to see how to locate the places on the map by using latitudes and longitudes. First, we know that the latitudes are the line which can run from east to west direction. So, which divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So, the center of the line is called the equator. So, the equator is the line which can divide the earth into northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So, in the latitudes here which can represent with the direction, because that line only divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Hence the latitudes are mentioned with the direction north and south. So if the directions are mentioned north and south, here we call it as latitudes. Here the longitudes are the line which can run from North Pole to South Pole. It divides the earth into Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. The center of the line which divides the earth into two equal halves, which is Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. So the center line is mentioned in 0 degrees, that we call it as prime meridian or longitudes. So the longitudes are mentioned with east and west. Again, longitudes are mentioned with east direction and west direction, and the latitudes are mentioned with north direction and south direction. So now we are going to see how to locate the places by using latitudes and longitudes in the world map. Let us see here. Here I mention the latitudes and longitudes with the degrees and direction. So the latitudes are the line which can run from east direction to west direction. The latitudes are mentioned with the direction north and south. The longitudes are the line which can run from North Pole to South Pole. That longitudes are mentioned with the direction east direction and west direction. So through this degrees and direction and latitudes and longitude 9, we are going to mark the places. Let us see. So first one they given 60 degree north and 120 degree east. 60 degree north and 120 degree east. Here, so I already mentioned the latitudes are mentioned with the north and south direction, because it divides a hemisphere into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So here they mention north, so it is latitudes. So here they mention the direction east, so it is longitude. Let us see. So here first you can find where is 60 degree north. Here 60 degree north, and you can find where is 120 degree east. So you can come here, you can check where is 120 degree east. So here, so this is 60 degree north and the above is the 120 degree east. So that these two lines join in this place. So this place is the continent Asia. The first answer will be Asia. Next, second one, 60 degree east and 30 degree south. So the east direction mentioned in longitudes. So south direction indicates the latitude. Here, where is 30 degrees south? Just find it. Here 30 degrees south and 60 degree east, and just you find the 60 degree east. Here 60 degree east. So this line and this one. So 30 degree south and 60 degree east. Here it mentioned it is the Indian Ocean. So next second one will be the Indian Ocean. Next third one, 120 degree west and 60 degree north. So the west which can indicates the longitudes and north which can indicates the latitudes. Just we can find 120 degree west. Here 120 degree west and 60 degree north. Here 60 degree north. Though this line indicates a 60 degree north. So this line and the 120 degree west line. So this line meeting at a point in which continent? North America. So the third one will be the North America. And you just see the fourth one. Here they didn't mention any direction. Simply they mentioned 0 degree. But here they mentioned 30 degree north. So I already tell you that north which indicates the latitudes. So this one is a longitude. So in longitude 0 degree will be the prime meridian. So let us see 30 degree north. You just find where is 30 degree north. Here 30 degree north, and where is 0 degree? Here 0 degree. Here 0 degree. So 30 degree north and 0 degree, that is prime meridian here. So the continent will be Africa. So fourth one will be Africa. Next fifth one, 30 degree west and 30 degree north. So the west which indicates the longitudes and north which indicates the latitude. Let us find where is 30 degree west. Here 30 degree west, and you can find where is 30 degree north. Here. So this one 30 degree north. So this one and this line we can join in here. So this is an ocean. So the fifth one will be the Atlantic Ocean. So like this you have to mark all the places.